Laboratorios Argenol has been manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients under good manufacturing practice since 1939, focusing on two families of products, silver and derivatives of tannic acid. Argenol manufactures silver colloids, silver salts, metallic silver, and inert silver supports. Silver is a broad-spectrum antimicrobial agent. Thanks to its bactericidal and fungicidal action mechanisms, silver is highly effective against a multitude of microorganisms, bacteria and fungi, preventing infections and the growth of pathogens that proliferate around us. Because of its antimicrobial properties, silver is mainly used for wound care, dermatology, oral care, and gynecology. It is also added as a deodorizing agent and preservative in cosmetic applications. Argenol also manufactures tannic acid derivatives, which, due to their astringent properties, act in a natural way against diarrhea. Our R&D department is continuously working to improve our products and design new manufacturing lines. Thanks to our extensive experience, we have developed a wide range of specialized products that are known worldwide for their high quality and effectiveness.